Hello everyone. My name is VJ Charkey. Welcome to my channel Toyoung's World. I hope everyone is doing well. Please click on subscribe button to subscribe the channel and hit bell icon to get more updates. Today I am going to tell you about the structure of Reang clans. Reang clans, Meska and Molshoi groups. The Reang, also known as Reang or Bru, are an indigenous community in northeastern India, primarily in Tripura, with significant populations in Assam, Mizoram, and parts of Bangladesh and Myanmar. The Reang clans, or Dofa, are divided into two primary groups, the Meska group and the Molshoi group. These groups encompass 13 subgroups or clans, each with its distinct identity, leadership structure, and cultural traditions. Let's explore the organization and significance of these groups, their subgroups, and the hierarchical structure within the Reang community. Meska group. The Meska group is one of the two main divisions within the Reang clans, comprising 7 subgroups or Dofa. Each subgroup has its own lineage, customs, and leadership, contributing to the diversity and cultural richness of the Meska group. The 7 subgroups within the Meska group are Meska, Msha, Charkey, Rakshak, Wairem, Talma Yakcho, Toimoy Yafuk. Each subgroup, while part of the larger Meska group, maintains its unique traditions and governance structure. The Meska group is characterized by its adherence to Reang cultural customs and its role in preserving the broader Reang heritage. Molshoi group. The Molshoi group is the second main division within the Reang clans, consisting of 6 subgroups or Dofa. Similar to the Meska group, the Molshoi group is a collection of smaller clans, each with its own leadership and cultural practices. The 6 subgroups within the Molshoi group are Molshoi, Apito, Nukam, Chomrang, Yakstam. Reang Kaska, the head or chief of the clans. Reang Kaska is considered the chief or head among the Molshoi group, overseeing the other subgroups and providing leadership within the broader Reang community. Ptor Dofa, chiefs and leadership. The Reang community has a structured system of chiefs or heads within each group. In total, there are 26 chiefs or heads across the 13 subgroups, designated as Ptor Dofa. The term Ptor means head, and Dofa means clan or group. These chiefs are divided into 2 categories, Rai and Kaska. Rai, chiefs of the subgroups. The Rai are chiefs or leaders within the subgroups, holding significant authority and responsibility. The Rai is a title that derives from Raja, indicating the chief or royal status. Each Rai has a team of individuals who perform various roles to assist in leadership and governance. These roles include Chapiya Khan, the crown Rai, who holds a position of honor among the Rai. Chapiya, the individual responsible for crowning Chapiya Khan. Dor Kalam, the priest for the Rai, responsible for religious and spiritual guidance. Doloi, the helper to the Rai, assisting with various tasks. Bandari, the storekeeper for the Rai, managing supplies and resources. Kanda, the servant and umbrella holder for the Rai, providing support during public appearances. Doya Hajari, the drum player, contributing to traditional music and ceremonies. Muriya, the trumpet player, another key musician during events. Dugriya, the assistant to the priest, helping with religious duties. Da'a, the arranger of puja or worship, ensuring proper preparation for rituals. Sayakrak, the distributor of prasad, typically sacrificial animal meat, during ceremonies. Kaska, chief ministers of the subgroups. The Kaska represents the chief minister within a subgroup, responsible for assisting the Rai in governance and administration. The Kaska has a team to support their role, including Yaksung, the assistant to the chief minister, aiding in administrative tasks. Hajra, the servant for the Kaska, providing support. Kanran, the umbrella holder for the Kaska, similar to Kanda's role for the Rai. Karma, the servant for Yaksung, assisting in daily activities. Khan Galim, the umbrella holder for yak sung, contributing to formal appearances. Candle, the collector of food and other required articles, ensuring supplies for ceremonies and events. These roles help maintain a structured system within the Reang clans, ensuring that each subgroup is well managed and that traditional customs are upheld. Exemptions and historical connections. An interesting aspect of the Reang leadership structure is that people of the Ktor Dofa are exempt from paying taxes to the king. This exemption indicates a unique status for the chiefs and their roles within the Reang community, highlighting the traditional autonomy and respect for the clan system. Conclusion. The Reang clans, divided into the Meska group and the Molshoi group, represent a complex and culturally rich social structure. With 13 subgroups and a well-defined leadership hierarchy, the Reang community has a strong sense of identity and tradition. The Rai and Kaska, along with their support teams, ensure effective governance and cultural preservation. This unique social structure reflects the enduring spirit and heritage of the Reang people.